Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Solution 76. Today I'm super excited because I'm bringing you the brand new December update working codes for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. And trust me, these codes are stronger than ever. The developers just dropped the December winter update and it comes with a brand new winter forest map, exclusive holiday skins, limited time challenges, massive diamond rewards, special boost items. So you definitely don't want to miss any of today's codes. Some of these codes might expire at any moment. And yes, there is a secret December code hidden inside this video. So don't even think about skipping. Want to join the giveaway? Just drop your Roblox username in the comments. If any code doesn't work, comment your username again. I'll personally help you fix it. And of course, smash that like button, subscribe to Easy Solution 76, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss fresh new codes. We always upload the latest codes for your favorite Roblox games like Blocks Fruits, Dress to Impress, and 99 Nights in the Forest, so you're always ahead of everyone else. In this December update, some of the codes will give you free diamonds, boosts, premium outfits, and exclusive holiday items. A few of them are secret or hidden. Only sharp-eyed viewers will catch them. Just imagine exploring the cold winter forest, collecting diamonds, completing challenges, and suddenly discovering a super rare December secret code that no one else knows about. Sounds epic, right? So get ready, grab your notepad, and let's jump straight into the latest, most powerful December update working codes for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest, right here on Easy Solution 76.